Hello, welcome back to IANCG Max. Today we are looking on logical question. The question is given: solve 4 to the power of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 4 to the power of x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 4 to the power of x square minus 3x plus 2 into 4 to the power of x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 1 now. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it now. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So let do by substitution, Amma. Let us take 4 to the power of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to a, and 4 to the power of x square plus 6x plus 5, let us take it as b. Now the equation will be a plus b is equal to a into b plus 1. Now sending all the terms to one side, a plus b minus ab minus 1 equal to 0. Now here you can take a common, a into 1 minus b minus 1 common, 1 minus b is equal to 0. Now here 1 minus b into a minus 1 equal to 0. From this you can write 1 minus b equal to 0 or a minus 1 equal to 0. That implies b is equal to 1 or a is equal to 1. Now first of all we'll take case 1, a is equal to 1. So a value 1 means 4 to the power of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 1. This can be written as 4 to the power of 0. So here you will get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. X into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2 or 1 now. Now if you take second case, case 2, here b value 4 to the power of x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 1. You can write it as 4 to the power of 0 x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 5x plus x plus 5 equal to 0. Here you can take factors, x into x plus 5 plus 1 into x plus 5 equal to 0. X plus 5 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 5 or minus 1. Minus 5 or minus 1. Therefore, we are getting 4 values of x. X equal to 1, minus 1, minus 5, 1, 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.